Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chewy s'mores cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 3/4 cup of butter softened, so that's a stick and a half. Then you need a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs. You can either buy those or make your own. Then you need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 Hershey bars that we're going to chop up, and then a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. I don't know if you'll really use all those marshmallows or not, but I said a 10-ounce bag just to be on the safe side. So let's go ahead and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 375. Alright, with an electric mixer we are going to just cream together our softened butter and our brown sugar and granulated sugar until they're combined. Alright, that looks pretty nice and combined to me, so I am going to go ahead and add in the egg and vanilla, and we're just going to stir that again to combine. Okay, that looks great. So I'm going to now add in all my dry ingredients. So I'm going to do the flour, the graham cracker crumbs, the baking soda, and the salt. Alright, I just mixed that as best I could with my mixer and then just took a spatula, and you just really want to work it in there. Make sure everything's incorporated. So next we are going to fold in our chocolate chips. Alright, all of my chocolate chips are added, and I did use my whole 12-ounce bag. So now we are going to drop these by tablespoons onto your prepared cookie sheets about 3 inches apart. Alright, I have 18 cookies here on my parchment lined baking sheet, so I should be able to make 36 cookies total. I might actually even have more than that. I'm not sure. This is what I have left over after my first batch. And so we are going to get these into the oven for 8 minutes. Alright, my cookies just came out of the oven, and now I'm going to go ahead and put about 2 to 3 marshmallows and 2 to 3 chocolate Hershey bar chunks. I just broke mine up into 2s and 3s. And we're just going to add these on top, press them down a little bit, and then we're going to put them back into the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, those are ready to go back in the oven. Like I said, 3 to 4 minutes, but I'm going to check mine after 2. I'm going to make sure my marshmallows don't burn. Alright, my cookies just came out of the oven for the second time. I did end up baking them for the 3 minutes, not 4. I just think that was going to burn them. So now I'm going to let them sit on this baking sheet for probably about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to move them onto a cooling rack. But I think for my second batch, I'm going to not put the Hershey bars on until after they come out of the oven, because I think they'll melt just fine just from the cookie itself. So these ones do look so cute though. But I think it would look better if they are not so melted. Alright, my last batch of cookies has come out of the oven. I already put it back in with the marshmallows for 3 minutes, and then when they came out, I just added on the chocolate. I just like those a lot better because the chocolate's a lot less melted, but it melts enough just from the hot cookies. So we are going to let these ones cool for 10 minutes, and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, my cookies are all cooled off and ready for Taste Tester, so let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Nut-Free Mama, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.